You thought I was done after the chili? Dead wrong. I'm not done. Big NATH Cooks, episode 2. All right. So last week we made the chili. It was incredible. Hindsight's 2020 though. It's not the best time to make a 6-figure Scoville unit chili when toilet paper is unavailable. So, wow. I'm thankful that I am one of the essential workmen that gets to keep working during this lockdown. Speaking of, looking at the freeways today, it looks like everyone and their sister is essential. Get it together, Arizona. But because I get to go to work, I have limited toilet paper. But until this thing is over, I wouldn't recommend you guys make that chili the way I did it. Today, we're making quiche. And it's going to be beautiful. Check it out. All right. Here are the main players in the game today. We got spinach. We got sharp cheddar. We got Marie Callender's deep pastry pie shells. We got bacon. We got country sausage. Of course, we're going to have eggs and cream, as is a part of every quiche. But these are the main players today. Bacon. 1 pound. Dice that crap up. We're going to be putting it into basically 1x1 squares into the pan. If you were to put all this crap in there like regular strips, you're never going to fit it in there. You're going to do like 3 rounds. Who wants to do that? No, we're breaking up into squares. All right, we got our pan. We got it going medium high. So I'm taking these like stacks basically. I'm going to be breaking them up. Don't stop adding the bacon. Keep the bacon flowing. I ain't stopping. You shouldn't be stopping. More. Okay, eventually you're going to run out of bacon. And I just ran, there we go, 2 more pieces. We run out of bacon. And what I said about medium-high heat, scratch that. Medium-low heat. You got to kind of bring it up. Our goal here, we're not going to completely cook the bacon. We're going to get it a little bit of crisp on the outside, but it's going to be in the quiche. It's going to be cooking in the oven. We don't need to finish it. Wow, things have been pretty bright on there, I just noticed. I'm sorry. Here's a better color of my bacon. Look at my bacon. All right, bacon's cooking. This is a good time to cut an onion. I forgot to put this in the little first start part of the video, but here we go. You might be asking me, Big Nath, why do you still have your Dutch oven there from the chili? How dare you speak to me? Watch me cook. There's efficient ways and nice ways to cut an onion, and I didn't do that. It's done. It wasn't pretty, but it's done. Also, bacon's done. Let me show you how we take care of that. Look at that. You can see it's cooked. There's some still kind of like little raw, little looking areas. It's not raw, it's kind of cooked, it's just not like charred. As it cooks in the oven, it's gonna finish out. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, this bowl is gonna become important here. This is where all the finished little sub parts are gonna be thrown in here, mixed together, and made into the ultimate just... It's gonna be good. Jeez. Okay, I pulled myself back together. We're shoveling this bacon over. Not gonna toss out this grease. We're gonna use this as we cook up that onion that we just made. All right, heat back on, pan on. All right, our pan is piping hot. We're gonna put in about about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Onion. That's some hot piggy fat right there. Oh, babe, that smells so good. All right, here's what we're shooting for. Get that. There we go. All right. We're shooting for. We're getting these onions like translucent. And just like the bacon. it's gonna finish cooking in the oven. I don't need to do it right here. All right, we're there, and it is looking so good. Get that color. There we go. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with the color on here. Okay, so get this stuff. I'm gonna shovel it over into the combo bowl. All right. Sausage, 1 pound. We're gonna brown this stuff. I don't know why I have to keep saying this. I don't know why you don't remember. We're not gonna cook it all the way through. That's ridiculous. We're just gonna brown it. It's done. Look at that. All right, into the combo bowl. Drain it a little bit. Got some serious sauce developing under this. That's all just fat. All right, last, definitely not least of the items to prepare, spinach, baby. I'm gonna put in this whole dang container because this stuff wilts down to nothing, to jack squat. But I love it, and it tastes so good. Oh, baby, it's done. It's done. All right, time to put the last item in this combination of... Actually, I lied to you. We're gonna put cheese in this. We're gonna put cheese in this. All right, we're putting in some sharp cheddar cheese in here. You wanna be healthy with your cheese. I mean, it might seem like a lot, but you're gonna put in like a cup of cheese. Cup and a half, maybe. No, I mean, look here, come on. Look up here. Don't get cheap with me. Don't get cheap on me. Put the cheese in. You need cheese in there. A lot of it. Okay, we got everything in here. We're gonna add in just a couple really simple seasonings in here before we start mixing it together. We're gonna get some coarse ground pepper. There we go. We're gonna get some, where'd you go? Ah, there we go. We're gonna get some sea salt. And that'll do it. All right, we're gonna mix this all together. Incorporate. Right. We want to get this all mixed up because we're gonna be putting this into 2 quiche pie crusts. We're putting in 2 pie crusts, and you want to make sure you have like an even distribution. You don't want one that's like all sausage and no cheese. You don't want one that has all the spinach that doesn't have any bacon. Mix it. Okay, time for our egg thing. We're doing, geez, already got, get out of there. Man, see, this is the best start. Oh wait, we're putting 6 eggs. Oh my gosh, this shell is just shattering. Learn from my failure. Strengthen yourselves. Okay, 1 egg. We're putting 6 total in here. Oh my gosh. You see guys on TV do the one-hand thing, get it done cleanly. That's not what you're gonna see here. We're your everyman. We're your engineer sitting in front of a computer all day, gets home, wants to cook guy. Okay, so last egg, here we go. Oh my gosh, last one, worst one. What is this? Ugh! Get out! Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm the only one eating this. Don't worry about me putting my nasty fingers in here. Okay, now we're gonna put about, look at that, about a cup and a half of cream in here. Heavy cream. If you ain't got cream, it ain't quiche. You're just making scrambled eggs in a dang pie crust. Mix it. Mix it. Okay, we got our 2 pie crusts here. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna divide up our innards into both of these. Get in there. precious to me. Get in there. Back over there. Yes. More filling. You know, I could probably stand to get a little more stuff in here. Maybe next time I'll get like a little more sausage, a little bit more bacon. I don't know, but here we go. All right, got it filling in there. Now, egg mixture. Dang, I don't think I made enough. You know what? This will do. Here's what I'm doing. I'm gonna take it and make sure ingredients are kind of spread around. This is not the tool for the job. This is. Get these ingredients in here. Oh man, this already looks so good. I haven't even cooked it yet. Good. Now I'm gonna kind of shake these a little bit to let this mixture of egg and whatnot kind of make sure it sifts to the bottom. Ugh, that was a mess. Sift. Yes. Okay. These are going in the oven at about 350. All right, what I've kind of learned is it's really helpful to have these like on a, I don't know, like a cooling sheet together so it's easier to, we almost had a tragedy there, a little slippage. A little easier to get in and out of the oven. There we go, is that gonna close? Yes. All right, these are gonna chill in here like 25 minutes. I'm gonna check on them. As soon as I can poke them with a knife and have it come out clean, we're good. All right, dang timer went off. Let's take a peek. Oh dang, okay. You know, it's not there. It's not there. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes, see what's up. All right, we're calling it. It looks pretty good, but even if it's not, we're pulling a little early for something a little special. Here's what's going on. You thought we were done with cheese. We're not done with cheese. We're doing a little garnish, baby. Oh, let's go in my pans for this. Okay, good. Don't spill. There we go. We're gonna do a little bit of cheese on top. It's gonna look so cool. A little bit of cheese. More cheese. Oh. And now, just a little touch of parsley. All right, going back in for just a couple minutes so that can melt. Oh. And we're done. I'm gonna let these cool a little bit and we'll show you how it tastes. All right, this has been chilling for a little bit. Man, it smells good. All right, let's take a little bite. Oh man. Yeah. I normally don't put that minced garlic in there, but dang. That's a good extra little note to have in there. Good stuff. And this stuff is like so versatile. You can add like whatever different like breakfast, or you can get really creative because you might not like spinach, you might not like sausage, you might want to do a vegetarian thing if you're real strange and weird or something. But you can pretty much do whatever the heck kind of quiche you want. So give it a try. This has been Big Nath. I'll see you next time on Big Nath Cooks.